Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of V.I Tech Academy YouTube channel. My name is Ratul and I'm your host for today's video. Guys, I have made many videos about various applications which are accessible with TalkBack screen reader. Additionally, I made many applications videos related to NVDA and JAWS screen reader. But today's video is going to be a little different. In this video, we are going to see one useful application which is used to monitor your health. Friends, we all know that health is one of our we should always care about our health because health is wealth. If our health is poor, then we can't work properly, we can't manage our life properly. So health is important. So today I'm going to talk about Google Fit application with the help of which you can monitor your health. Monitor means you can track your physical activities if you do. So how we will see in this video. I hope this video is going to be very useful. So to watch more videos like this, subscribe to V.I Tech Academy and press the bell icon, choose all notifications so that you'll never miss any upload. If you want to get special videos and if you want to get all of our videos earlier than our release, so you need to join us as a member. Click on the join button to learn more. It starts only 29 rupees. So you can easily join and it will really help us a lot. So without further delay, let's start. I have downloaded the application and configured the application. So whenever you have downloaded for the first time, then you need to use your Google account to log in to that application, and after login you need to give your date of birth, then weight, okay, in kg, and your height in foot and inch. So these are the details which you require to use this application. So now I'm going to show you what is the interface and what actually you can do with the application. So guys, let me open the application.
Find device. Fit. Start recording. Fit.
So I've opened the application. Here you will find 4 tabs at the bottom of the screen. See.
Selected. Home. Tab 1 of 4. In list 4
Home
items.
tab is there.
Journal. Tab 2 of 4.
Journal tab is there.
Browse. Tab 3 of 4.
Browse is there.
Profile. Tab 4 of 4.
And profile is there. So let's understand what the tabs are. So first is profile. Under profile tab, you will find all of your details and some settings. So let me show you what are the options available under profile tab.
Profile. Stop record. 3 minutes. Settings. Signed in as
So
settings.
first is settings
Button.
option is there. So I'll show you what the options available settings. Then my account.
Profile.
Okay, then
Activity goals.
activity goals. So we have set some activity goals. So as currently I do not have any other health related device or health related activity things, I am only using morning walk and measure my walk. So that's why I have set 1 activity goals. 2 activity goals you need to set. Okay, 2 activity goals means one is heart point and another is steps for walking. Okay, see.
2000. Button. Steps.
So 2000 steps is my goal every day, which means I should walk at least 2000 steps every day. So you can set as per your choice. Just double tap here.
Edit. Set
And
goal.
see.
Close. Set goal. More option. Steps.
Steps.
Keep moving each day to meet your steps goal and avoid sedentary time.
Okay.
Decrease goal. Button.
So you can decrease your goal.
2000 steps a day.
2000 steps a day. First I have set 5000, though sometimes I was not able to meet that goal. So that's why I said 2000. It's enough for me. Every day I walk, and I'll tell you how I use this application.
Increase goal. Button.
Increase goal.
Stop recording.
So these are the options.
Decrease.
Then
Keep moving each
I'm
day
just
to
going
meet.
back.
Start 25. Button. Hard points.
So it says 25 heart points. Now what is heart points? Heart points is a gift when you do some activities. Okay, I'll tell you in details. So you can set a goal for your heart points for each day. You need to score that heart points. How to score? I'll tell you. no issues. The same options is available, decrease goal, increase goal, you can use. Okay, next is
bedtime schedule.
bedtime
On. Switch.
schedule on. So which means if you walk within the bedtime or if you do any activity within the bedtime, this application won't track that. Okay, so I use this one,
11 p.m. button.
11
Get
p.m.
in. 7 a.m.
and 7
button.
a.m.
Wake
which
up.
means wake up time, and 11 a.m. is my bedtime. Okay, next is
About you. Heading.
about me. So next is my date of birth is there. So under about you section we can see our details. For example, age, we can see our gender, we can see our weight. Suppose maybe your weight is 75 kg or 80 kg, whatever your height, everything you can show here. So this is all about the what I can say profile. So next we will see what's there in the settings.
Journal. Select stop. 7 minute. Settings. Button.
So I'm clicking on settings and see.
Settings. More options. Button. Units. Heading 1 of 5.
Now first
In list
settings
5
is units.
items.
Units means see
Height. Feet and inches 2 of 5.
height. So when you enter the height, what unit you want to choose, inches and foot or whatever. Okay, next
Weight. Kilograms
Weight.
3 of 5.
so how you can choose the weight, what is the unit, kilograms.
Distance.
Okay, then
Kilometers 4 of
distance,
5.
kilometer. Distance means how much you walk. Okay, how much you walk. Okay, distance will be calculated in kilometers.
Energy. Calories 5 of 5.
Now after walking or after doing this, you can see how much energy it is, how much energy is extended. So calorie, the unit will be calorie.
Health Connect.
So
Heading 1
Health
of 2.
Connect, Health
In
Connect
list
is
2
not for
items.
us because as I am not using any other applications or other things, so I'm just exiting from here
Fit. Home. Home.
and
Selected.
I'm coming to the home. Okay, so after coming to the home, let's see what are the options or what are the features available. See,
Journal. Tab 2 of Brow. Stop 8. Learn. Signed in as rep. Learn. Sign 27 hard points. 4,424 steps.
it says 27 hard points and 4,400 something steps, which means today I walk these amount of steps and I earn 27 hard points. Now how you can earn hard points, that I'll show you.
27 hard points.
So 27 hard points,
4,435 steps.
these are my steps. Okay,
Hard points history.
hard points history. So if you go there, here you can check all of your hard points history, yesterday's history, day before yesterday's, date wise.
Steps history.
Steps history, here you can get all of your steps history details. Okay,
1,453 calories.
so 1,453 calories today I have extended approximately. Remember, this is based on my walk. Now for example, I walk and I after that I eat some foods which has high calories, so it is not good. Okay, so it is an average, you can get an idea. It is not your health expert, remember, and I am also not be your health expert. I am just showing you the use of the application. Okay,
3.05 kilometers.
so 3.05 kilometers I walked today.
43 move minutes.
43 move minutes, which means I walked 43 minutes till now today. Okay, total. Okay,
List.
next see
Your daily goals.
Your
Last
daily
7
goals.
days 4/7. Achieved. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday 1 of 9. In list 9 items.
So here every week you have your goals. Week starts on Sunday and ends on Saturday. So I have achieved 4/7, which means 4 days I achieved my goals out of 7 days. So 3 days I did not do any walk. Okay, or I was not able to meet my goals. Next,
Your weekly target November 17th
Your
to
weekly
23rd,
target.
161 of 150. Great work, Rachel. Scoring at least 150 hard points each week helps you stay fit and healthy. 2 of 9.
okay, so as per WHO, Google Fit says that if you score 150 heart points each week, you will be fit. Okay, and it's real. When I complete this goal, achieve this goal, you believe me, I'm very much okay for the whole day. Okay, so this is the goal, the last week goal, this week goal. Okay, sorry guys, a car is going on, passing on, sorry, a car is passing, so leave that. So next is
Trends 3 of 9.
so some trends, things are there. Okay,
Hard points. Last 7 days,
Okay, see.
27 hard points. Today, bar chart with data from November
so
17th
here if
at
you
12
double tap,
p.m.
you
to
can
November
check all of
23rd
your
at
birth
12
charts,
p.m.
total birth
Steps.
charts,
Last 7
steps.
days, 4,000. Energy expended.
energy
Last
extended.
Discover 7 of 9.
So under discover you will find some information, how much sleep you need, how much about other healthy health topics, health tips. Okay, you can, if you want, you can explore them. Okay, see, I know that you are smart, especially those who are regularly watching our YouTube channel. Okay, next I will show you the journal part. Before that, let me tell you how you can earn heart points. So after installing these, after everything, if you put this phone into your pocket and you walk, brisk walk, not slowly walk. Brisk walk means not slow, not move very fast as a run. Not run, not walk. The middle of the run and walk is called brisk walk. If you do this, each 1 minute of continuously walking will earn 1 heart point. Okay, and all the steps are counted. So just I'm giving you a rough calculation. If you walk, if you do brisk walk every morning 30 minutes to 35 minutes, you can easily earn 25 to 35 heart points. Yes, even I achieve 40 heart points a day. Sometimes I achieved. Okay, I am using this application over the past 1 year and it really helps me a lot, especially boosting my energy. Okay, so these are the options available. Next is journal. Under journal you will find
Home.
see
Browse. Tab. Journal.
your total details. See,
Walking 4:30 p.m. afternoon. Walk 2.09 kilometers in 26
Today's-
minutes.
today's-
Bullet 23
so
hard
all
points 2 of
journals.
16.
all
Enlist
journals,
16 items.
today's journal, tomorrow, yesterday, day before yesterday, when you work. Okay, how much time it will it took to earn how much hard points, everything details you get. Okay, under browse tab you will find options to add something. Add means, let's suppose you want to add another activity, let's suppose run, or let's suppose others, so that you can do. As we do not have any other devices, I'm not using any other gadgets for health purpose or weight purpose, so I'm not going to use this. But if you want, you can explore more and use it. So I hope this is enough for today. You should explore on your own and you can tell me if you have any doubts or queries into the comment section. Thank you guys for watching this video. Let me know your thoughts about this application into the comment section. See you in the next tutorial. Till then, stay safe, stay happy. Bye bye.